Hi, this is Merlin. The previous video we were talking about the what is code space. Today we're gonna talk about what is large object space. I think this large object space is like most abstract thing I ever studied in V8 V8 memory, the part of V8 memory, because like there was no resource of it. So I was and to understand this kind of concept, I had to learn about operating system, a part of operating system, and I had no experience with it. So, okay, the explanation might be like weird, but I think I recommend you study about like file system and how operating system work and how it works and how kernel works. Okay, let's skip this. So, what is large object space? This is weird object which are larger than other spaces lived. Each object gets its own MMP region of memory and it never moved by garbage collector. And the question is, what the hell is MMAP and what is MMAP region? So MMAP refers to the system call available in Unix like operating systems like including Linux. And the primary purpose is like to make the file or a memory block into a memory address space of the process. That sounds so abstract and okay, so I'm gonna try to put the image of it. So normally this is like the traditional way of accessing file using the file descriptor. You can write we can write, open, read, and seek and close if there's file. The file name is full. So, but the let's use another way. So I was like, hey you, kernel, hey you, load this file full into my address space. So kernel is like the one who interact with the GUI and the CPU, the file CPU also. And so the file full map into the, the space, the space in address space. So it creates the block because the mapping is sort of the kind of thing. So so FireFull located in the part of other space. So if we trying to read or write, we we get the the block from the address space and we create the physical page and we could read the physical page and also write it. And that's like MMAP thing. So if it's saying that large object stored in the MMAP region, and I think and that is like this kind of thing inside out. That means like it's stored in the address space, and that's it. So I think I have to put more about this, but there's no resource of it, and I only know that there's only like larger than other space, and this is also kind of abstract because I tried to see how it works. This is large, literally large enough, and I'm trying to see it, but I cannot see it. It's not saying that large object space occurred or this object stored in the large object space. But even though this object is quite large enough, but I don't know why. So I just can't. I don't know. I can't. So I rather study by yourself when trying to learn about large object space or ask V8 developers. You can see in the Twitter. So this is the end of the heap, and next is the stack, right? So that was the part of the heap. We talk about the large object space, code space, and sort about that, and we finished about that. So that's the end of thing. The stack. We're not going to stack. Stack is the like this is the stack memory area, and there is the only stack. one stack per V8 process. And you might like wonder, one stack per V8 process? You mean like V8 process is reading a one line, so we create one line, we create like stack per one line? No, no, oh, of course no. So it's like one line is not V8 process. Example, uh, I forgot the one. I forgot the name of it, the word of it. Book. What was the name of it? Book. Book left. No, of course not this. Wait, hold on. Large space and stack. Uh, yeah, bookmark. Yeah, I'm stupid. So, bookmark is this one. So V8 is you, and you're reading a code. The code is the block. So the code or large application. It reads the code. It reads line by line. And if it is important, you bookmark it, right? But that doesn't mean that you create a bookmark and you bookmark everything when trying to need it. You just use bookmark only one to read the book, right? So this is kind of similar thing in the V8. So and also stack is like keeps track of function calls, local variables, and other execution context details. And this is also my mistake before. I said only like primitive data types are stored in this stack. That's kind of true, but that is not. So it also function calls is also stored in the stack, and local variable also stored in the stack, and also execution context stored in the stack. So yeah. So as we execute your code, it pushes a pub like stack is always like that, and in all it allows VA to keep track where is it in the program and what should do next. And yep, this end of our presentation, and this the end. We look about large object space and code space, area space, properties, area space, and map space, and those other stuff. Yep, and we now the next video we're gonna talk about how V8 memory usage, how it used. So we look at the theory part, and we're gonna look at the code, the real part, and we're gonna estimate. Oh, the object stored in the heap or stuff, like something like that.